Hi, welcome to Catrix. Today we will make this example by using Solidworks. We will convert 2D sketch to 3D sketch. This 2D sketch, we will make this 3D sketch from it, and we will go to appearance and select appearance. So let's start. First I will look at my 2D sketch. It's 40 by 60. So we'll go to sketch and select the plane to plane. Then we'll go to choose a rectangle from origin here to here. We will add dimension 40. Sorry, 60, not 50. We'll go to features and select with extrude and extrude it by 10 millimeters. Okay. Then from this surface we will draw first. I will convert ends for these two lines. Then I will draw vertical line from right corner, and I will stop on the point. It will convert to circle automatically. Then I will continue drawing line. I will add dimension. It's 40 millimeter diameter. There's a fillet here, and it's 20 millimeter from down. Yes, its radius is 20. It's 20 millimeters, and there is a fillet here. Then I will go to features and select extrude. I think it's 20 millimeters. It's half of this dimension, and select OK. Then from this surface I will draw a sketch to make a 20 millimeter diameter hole from the same center. And select cut extrude through all, and OK. Here we are. Now I will go to appearance and select yellow color. Here we are. If we are looking to the sketch, we will find that it's same. Solidworks is a very easy program, but you have to practice a lot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it. Bye.